Understanding candle proportions and ranges in terms of thirds and halves is highly beneficial because it allows for easy identification of whether the market was bearish, bullish, or neutral in a given period of time. Since you already know the opening and closing prices are generally more important, it will come as no surprise that the real body range is a good visual indication of where more market interest resides in a given period of time. In other words, that means the majority of market participants place greater attention and focus on the real body range in the form of more buy and sell orders. Strong in the diagram refers to strength of general market attention being more concentrated around the real body. That means the market has more intent and naturally gravitates more towards the real body, as opposed to the wick ranges, which are generally weaker. Weak refers to the inability of the market to maintain highs and or lows in a given period of time. Skewing of the real body that concentrates it more to the upper half to upper third of a candle or lower half to lower third of a candle can help indicate directionality in the market. Likewise, candles with relatively balanced and almost no skewed proportions of real body and or wicks can indicate less directionality and even indecision or sideways movement in the market. Understanding wick to real body ratios in terms of thirds and halves will be very useful in understanding and interpreting candle formations on real-life charts, because candle charting and price action analysis in general is quite simple once these basic principles are understood. Candle patterns and general price action can be defined according to several criteria. They can comprise of one single candle or multiple candles that form reversals, whereby price of a particular financial instrument changes direction, or there can be indecision, whereby the price of a financial instrument remains relatively flat and unchanged. There can also be continuations that continue price in the direction of existing trends. In the next section, there will be specific candle patterns and price action that are characterized by these criteria, demonstrated in the outlines of several diagrams. They will be among the most common candle patterns and price action formations seen across all markets. That will then be followed by a variety of case studies and examples of various charts from various markets and time periods.